Good day everyone. So for today, let me teach you on how to download ebook on Z Library for free. So as you can see, I am here in the website of Z Library and I want to download this Master English Grammar in 28 days. By the way, I already created a video about this but I use laptop. But for now, I am using cell phone. Okay, so as you can see, this is the ebook that I want to download, and this is the normal process. When I am going to download it in Z Library, I just need to click this login to Z Lib, and then after that I need to log in the Z Library. And once done logging in the Z Library, you need to subscribe on their website in order to download it. So let's have now the technique or the way on how to download Z Library for free. So instead of visiting on this page, kindly visit this website. Okay, girllogin.re, and then continue. After that, will be prompt here in this website, and then kindly go back to the ZLive to copy the title of your ebook that you want to download. Then copy and then paste that to the single login.re. Paste it and then search. Now, the difference here in the single login.re is once you click this, let's say for example, this is the book that you want to download. Once you click that, it will not require you to log in. Instead, what you can see here is the read online or the three dots here. Once you click these three dots, you have the option to download the PDF already. PDF 1.12 MB, and then after that, it will automatically download, and then you have the ebook now, and then you may now read it for free. So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe in our channel.